on solution for water shortage in big cities of India. Addressing water shortage in a city as large as Delhi, with population of 20 million people, requires a comprehensive and multifaceted approach. Here are several potential solutions: water conservation and education. Implement widespread public awareness campaigns to educate residents about water conservation practices. Encourage the use of water-saving technologies in households and industries. Institute strict regulation on water usage in agriculture and industry. Rainwater harvesting. Promote and incentivize the installation of rainwater harvesting system in residential and commercial buildings. Create regulations requiring new construction to incorporate rainwater harvesting infrastructure. Efficient water management. Invest in modernizing the water distribution infrastructure to reduce leakages and losses in distribution network. Implement smart water management technologies to monitor and manage water supply more efficiently. Wastewater treatment and reuse. Enhance wastewater treatment capabilities to treat and reuse wastewater for non-potable purpose such as irrigation and industrial process. Implement policies and infrastructure to promote the use of treated wastewater in agriculture. Desalination plant. Explore the feasibility of desalination plant to convert seawater into fresh water, especially if the city is located near the coast. Consider partnership and private companies for the construction and operation of desalination facility. Groundwater management. Implement sustainable groundwater management practices to prevent over extraction of depletion of aquifers. Regulate and monitor groundwater usage to ensure it is within sustainable limit. Public-private partnership. Collaborate with private sector entities to invest in and manage water infrastructure projects. Leverage and experience the resources of private companies to improve water supplies and distribution. Diversification of water sources. Explore alternative water sources such as treated sewage water, recycled water, and surface water from reservoirs. Develop a diverse portfolio of water sources to reduce dependence on single water supply. Policy and governance reform. Enforce strict water use regulations and penalize water wastage. Implement transparent and accountable governance structures for water management. Community involvement. Encourage community participation in water management and conservation initiative. Foster a sense of responsibility among citizens to use water wisely and report wasteful practices. Green space and urban planning. Incorporate green space and sustainable urban planning practices to reduce the urban heat island effect and increase groundwater recharge. Solving water scarcity is a complex challenge that requires the collaboration of government bodies, private sectors, and public. A combination of short-term and long-term strategies along with continuous monitoring and adaptation is essential for sustainable water management in a densely populated city like Delhi. How and where should water be stored for daily use? Storing water for use in Delhi involves a combination of traditional and modern storage solutions to meet cities' water demand. Here are some considerations and suggestions for water storage. Reservoirs and dams. Construct and maintain large reservoirs and dams to store water from rivers during monsoon season. The stored water can be gradually released to meet the city's water need during dry period. Groundwater recharge. Implement measures to recharge groundwater by creating artificial structures like percolation ponds and recharge wells. This helps in replenishing the aquifers and maintaining a sustainable groundwater level. Underground storage tanks. Build underground storage tanks to store treated and potable water. These tanks can be strategically located throughout the city to ensure reliable and decentralized water supply. Elevated storage reservoir. Construct elevated storage reservoirs or water towers in key locations to maintain water pressure and provide a gravity-driven water supply to certain areas. Rainwater harvesting system. Encourage the widespread adoption of rainwater harvesting system in residential, commercial, and industrial buildings. These systems can collect rainwater for direct use or storage in tanks. Smart water grids. Implement smart water grids that allow for efficient storage, distribution, and management of water. These systems can incorporate sensors and technology to monitor and control water flow in real time. Community pond and lakes. Preserve and maintain existing ponds and lakes within the and around the city. These natural water bodies can serve as storage reservoirs and also contribute to the recharge of groundwater. Treated wastewater storage. Store treated wastewater for non-potable uses such as irrigation, industrial purposes, and cooling systems. This can reduce the demand for fresh water in certain sectors. Desalination plants in cities located near sea. If the city is located near the coast, consider desalination plant that converts seawater into fresh water. The produced water can be stored and distributed as part of overall water supply. Leverage existing infrastructure. Utilize existing infrastructure efficiently, such as repurposing unused or underused reservoirs or modifying old structures to serve as water storage facilities. Water banking. Explore the concept of water banking, where excess water during surplus time is stored and managed for use during periods of scarcity. Integrated water management. Develop an integrated water management plan that combines the storage of surface water, groundwater recharge, and rainwater harvesting to ensure a resilient and sustainable water supply. It's important to note that combination of these storage solutions along with effective water management policies, infrastructure maintenance, and community engagement will contribute to a more reliable and sustainable water supply for Delhi. Additionally, the choice of storage solution should take into account the environmental impact, cost effectiveness, and long-term sustainability of each option. How would distribution system of water can solve problem of Delhi? A well-designed and efficiently managed water distribution system is crucial for addressing the water supply challenges in densely populated city like Delhi. Here are ways in which a good distribution system can help solve water-related issues. Equitable water access. Ensure an equitable distribution of water sources across different areas of city, avoiding disparity in access and quality. Reduction of water loss. Implement measures to reduce water losses due to leakage, pipe bursts, and inefficient infrastructure. Regular maintenance and modernization of distribution network are essential for minimizing losses. Pressure management. Optimize water pressure throughout the distribution system to prevent excessive leaks and ensure a consistent and reliable water supply to all areas. Real-time monitoring and control. Utilize smart technologies and sensors to monitor the water distribution system in real time. This enables rapid detection of leaks, malfunctions, and unauthorized usage, allowing for prompt intervention. Decentralized distribution point. Design a distribution system that includes decentralized storage facilities and distribution points strategically located throughout the city. This helps reduce dependency on centralized resource and enhance resilience. Integrated management. Integrated water distribution planning with land use and urban developing planning to ensure the distribution system can accommodate population growth and change in demand. Responsive to climate variability. Design the distribution system to be resilient and climate variability, including extreme weather events and seasonal changes in water availability. Water quality monitoring. Implement a robust water quality monitoring system to ensure that the water supplied meets safety and health standards. Regular testing and quality assurance measures should be in place. Community engagement. Involve the community in water management practices, including reporting leakages and irregularities. Encourage water conservation, and educate the public about the importance of responsible water use. Emergency response planning. Develop contingency plan and emergency response protocols to address disruptions in water supply, such as during droughts, floods, and infrastructure failures. Investment in infrastructure. Continuously invest in upgrading and expanding water distribution infrastructure. Policy and regulation: enforce and update water use regulations, ensuring that industry, agriculture, and households adhere to sustainable water practices, implement penalties for water resources, incorporate alternative water sources, integrate alternative water sources such as recycled water and treated wastewater into distribution system to augment the traditional water supply. Smart metering: implement smart metering system to provide accurate data on water consumption, enabling better management and billing. This can also encourage water conservation among consumers. By addressing these aspects and implementation a comprehensive, well-managed water distribution system, Delhi can improve its water resilience, ensure access to all residents, and mitigate challenges related to water scarcity and infrastructure efficiency. It requires a coordinated effort from government authorities, water utilities, the private sector, and community to achieve sustainable water management in the city.